questions.
Okay, the weird thing.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, when I first got this phone, I took this phone and took a picture of that phone, and I took this picture and took a picture of my old phone. And I was like, picture of my old phone is now my new background. Not really, it's dandelion.
The phone was a distraction.
Tori, dandelion.
Yeah, I know, that's what I thought. I was like, dandelion, story! Ow!
Happy birthday!
Oh my god! This is like...
Oh, you got both up.
I kept on thinking that y'all were gonna...
You surprised Mom. You were so sneaky, Tori.
I was gonna say, oh, I didn't get a new phone, Mom. They didn't have them. And then all of a sudden I was like, Mom. And then, oh, y'all go surprise. And I was like, yeah, we know. We saw each other like, and you're like,
I'm just looking at Hayes like,
oh, I scared you. The weird thing is, when I came home the first time, I thought this was a rat. And then I was like, wait, it's Reese's dolphin. Never mind.
Hey, Tori, say bye.
Bye. Oh, hey, remember our counselors?
Oh,